Hey everybody, we're here to talk about Microsoft SecureScore. So just to introduce myself, my name is Jim, the Client Success Manager here at Virtuous. So basically how you get to Microsoft SecureScore is you can navigate via security.microsoft.com, and on the left side of your stack you'll see SecureScore, which brings you to the page that we're on right now. So the first thing you'll notice is the percentage score. So this Contoso has a secure score of 17.05%, and it'll break down the two aspects that they have implemented, which is identity and application. So outside, running your devices on an outside platform via applications. And then we'll go over and you'll notice that there's actions to review and how to actually raise and optimize your secure score. So not only does this tool quantify how you are currently doing on a security basis, but it will also tell you how to get better. You can set up statuses for each of these actions as well. That way you can keep track of what you're working on versus what is an acceptable risk for you as well. You'll also be able to see the category for each of these actionable items as well. But right now I want to show you how to change your secure score. So you'll notice right here, you'll see your score impact. Basically, if you implement these specific aspects, you'll be able to see how it will impact the score of your actual secure score, and also where that might need to take place. So for instance, with Contoso, you'll see identity is a major issue for this company. So in one of the most prevalent and most common aspects that need to be changed, that way you can make you a little bit more secure with a very minimal effort, is going to be requiring multi-factor authentication for administrative roles. So I'll go ahead and click on this, which is going to pull up exactly how it can be done. So the first thing you'll see in the first section is going to be an action plan. So you'll be able to update your status to what you are doing to resolve these issues. So obviously there's going to be completed once it is actually done. You'll be able to select this, which is I'm going to address this. This one is planned. You can also, of course, select risk accepted. What that means is basically you understand that that would really help your security posture, but you just don't either want to implement it, or it's just not going to be something that's that you're capable of at this time. You can also, of course, select that you resolve this through a third-party process or resolve through alternate mitigation, basically, letting another IT service run your actual security posture. So at a glance, you'll be able to see what is the actual category that it's under, why it's important, and what it protects against. So for instance, MFA protects against password cracking, account breach, elevation of privilege, and what products you need, which is Azure Active Directory. And then it goes into a little bit deeper of the user impact and why this is such an important aspect of security. And then it teaches you here how to implement this process. So prerequisites, what you need to have, your next steps, and then everything that you need to do to get that process rolled out. That way you can make your secure score a whole lot better, and you'll be able to see major changes with just a very basic minimal process being multi-factor authentication, which is something in my opinion should be rolled out everywhere. And you'll also be able to see everything done through points as well. So for instance, because this company doesn't have MFA, they're running at 0 out of 10 possible points. So thank you guys so much. We hope you guys have a great day. Take care, guys.